Variables are used to store information that can be referred to in a conversation, just like merge tags in marketing emails. To get started, let's navigate to the Variables section from the dashboard by clicking Settings, and then choosing Variables. Wotnot offers two types of variables, that is, contact variable and conversation variable. Contact variables store user-specific information and remain available across multiple conversations. For example, the name variable can be used to personalize the greeting message. Conversation variables store temporary data that lasts for the duration of the current session. We also have system variables that are predefined by Wotnot, offering system-level information like city, country, page URL, and more. Now, let's see how to create a new variable. Click Create Variable and choose either a conversation or contact variable based on your use case. Enter a clear and meaningful name. Add a brief description to explain the variable's purpose, useful for documentation and team collaboration. Select the data type, such as text, number, or email, and if invalid, the error message will be sent to the user. Once done, click Create Variable. After creation, let's use these variables to store user input. On all Collect action blocks, which collect user input, we will choose the variable we want to store the user input in from the drop-down below. And to use these variables in personalizing bot messages, type hash in the message boxes to select the variable to be referenced. With variables in place, your bot can deliver personalized, dynamic conversations by remembering and reusing user information.